Hello, this is Anna, and I would like to show you today how to use your mala for meditation. Certainly, you can also wear your mala without meditating. The meditation will enhance the potent energy of the bead or the seeds. But let's get into how to use this mala for meditation. So today I have a malachite and sandalwood mala, and it has 108 beads, as you can see, and one guru bead, that brown sandalwood one at the top. So you might want to get a mantra first, and it can be anything in your native tongue, such as harmony, peace, love, resilience, balance, gratitude, and so on. Or you may use a Sanskrit word or even a deity, the energy of a deity, to help you to bring some more energy into this mala. And I like to use the mantra Lakshmi, Om Shri Lakshmi, Om Shri Lakshmi. Lakshmi is the deity of prosperity and abundance, and this mala is one that I use for Lakshmi. You wouldn't want to chant two different mantras for one mala. One mala, one mantra. And you'll chant your mantra for each bead, so it's beneficial if it's rather short, right? If it's a very long mantra, it might take you a long time to chant it 108 times. And you're going to put your mala in your right hand. You can let it hang down. We don't want it to ever touch the floor. Your left hand can hold the remainder of the mala. You're going to have your mala just above your navel center. You're going to be pulling the beads toward your body with your thumb, while you rest the mala on your middle finger. We never touch the mala with our index finger, as that represents the individual self. The thumb is a universal self, and we pull the energy of the bead and the bead toward us with each mantra. So you can see me doing that, pulling it toward me. Om Shri Lakshmi, Om Shri Lakshmi, Om Shri Lakshmi, Om Shri Lakshmi, Om Shri Lakshmi. Now, say I've gotten to 108, so I've arrived at the end. You can stop there and have the energy in this mala and wear it. Or you might want to chant it more. So if you do, don't cross that guru bead. You want to instead put your index finger behind and flip it over and go the same direction from whence you came. So don't cross the guru bead. Go back again and continue chanting your mantra with each bead. Now after you've chanted your mantra, you can wear it and you'll receive the energy of your meditation all day long.